Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to update your iPhone, iPad, or any other iOS gadget to the latest iOS 26.4 beta 2 version, but you may face a problem that your update stuck on preparing update. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back and first of all, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, you may click here on your Wi-Fi, click here on your Wi-Fi name. Here is the option of forget this network, so you may click here and connect it again. After that guys, you may just go back, and if you're connected to mobile data, you will make sure that your 3G, 4G or 5G is working properly. Then guys, you may go back, and here is the option of general, so you may click here, and here is the option of date and time, so you may just click here on date and time, and here is the option of set automatically, so you may turn this on. Then guys, you may go back, and here you may see that here is the option of VPN, so you may click here, and if there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that from here. Then you may scroll down, and here the option of transfer and reset iPhone, click here, click on reset, and click on the reset network settings from here. Then guys, you may go back, and you may just restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys, you may click here on your profile icon, and here is the option of detailed purchases. Click here and click here on view account. So here is the option of country region, so you may click here, and you may change your country region, that country where you live. If you live in USA, you may select United States, or if you live in another country, you may select that one, and then you may restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.